Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your inventory public on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll want to direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. Here, hover your mouse over your username to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Profile. This will take you to your main Steam profile page where you can view your gaming activity, achievements, and various other settings. Once you're on your profile page, look over to the right panel of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled Edit Profile. Click on it to access your profile customization options. This is where Steam allows you to modify various aspects of how your profile appears to other users and what information you choose to share publicly. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new screen with several options displayed on the left side. In this left panel, locate and click on Privacy Settings. This section is crucial because it controls who can see different aspects of your Steam account, including your game details, friends list, and importantly, your inventory. Understanding these privacy controls gives you complete authority over what information you want to share with the Steam community. Now, within the privacy settings page, look for the option labeled Inventory. Right beside this option, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal the available privacy options for your inventory. You'll typically see choices like Private, Friends Only, and Public. For this tutorial, select Public from the drop-down menu. By choosing this option, you're allowing anyone on Steam to view the items in your inventory, which is particularly useful if you're looking to trade items with other players or simply want to showcase your collection to the broader community. And that's it. Your Steam inventory is now set to public, meaning other users can browse through your items and potentially reach out for trades. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.